So I wanted to show you a little project of mine. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm basically going to use this paint markers. So they're water-based paint marker that writes on wood, textile, cardboard, metal, glass, stone, plastic, ceramics, and it's a full opaque matte finish, and it dries really quickly. So it's this brand over here, and I want to write on my shoes. So they're not incredibly expensive shoes, they're like pretty cheap, and I'm not gonna be bothered if I make mistakes or anything like that. So yes, I'm not gonna prep them in any way. I'm just basically gonna straight on write on them, but I do need to probably get the laces completely out, or just open this one a little bit more so I can actually put my hands inside. So, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write some random math formulas on them. Like, I don't have a specific topic in mind. I'm just gonna basically write whatever it goes through my mind. So what I have is, like, I have an old towel over here, and I have some like cardboard over here, and some toilet paper. I know, very random, just in case something leaks. So I need to remind myself how I'm gonna use these ones, because I haven't done it in a while. So I need to shake, press, and then I will be able to write. So shake, and then I'm gonna press on this cardboard. Oh, okay, leaks. Perfect, that means I can write. Good. So I am going to, and now comes the big issue where I haven't actually thought about anything, but I want to write on this side of the shoes, on this side, on this side, and I'm probably not going to write anything on here, but I'm going to write on the other side. Do I want to make them identical while I write on one side and while I write on the other? Probably not, to be fair. Do I want to all go in one? Probably not either. So yeah, that's not really helpful. But you know what? Let's just go for it. So I'm gonna just get. See, I'm not worried if this one leaks in any way on the towel or whatever. So I don't really care that much for the towel because it's really old. So I'm gonna, what am I gonna write? I'm gonna do some volumes. I don't know, random volumes. Okay, this one, right? So I'm gonna do, let's go with volume of a sphere. Also V. And you see it's quite thick, so I have to be very careful. So 4/3 to 3 pi radius squared height. So it's not like precise, but it does look really nice. I'm gonna put a pi sign here because I like it in the corner. Doesn't look like a pie that much, but okay, let's go with, now I should have thought about this way more than this. Let's go with an area. I'm gonna go area of a triangle, so a half AB sine C. So I like this area. Let's go with a bracket, multiplying some brackets. A minus B, A plus B is the A squared, take away B squared. Decent. Let's go with, I have some more, but not that much space here, so kind of want to go with another volume. So let's go, if I've done a sphere, let's go with a cone. 1/3 pi radius squared height. Okay, so you can see they're not like precise, like you can't really see there's a 3 there and stuff like that, but I'm not bothered. I think I could have got like a thinner one, but again, I'm not really bothered by this. Let's put another one that goes kind of like that because I quite like this, and I'm gonna go with the side. Let's go with the sine bit. So I've got sine A over side A equals sine B over small b sine C over small c. Yeah, completely random. Don't ask me why, but yeah. So I'm just going to randomly continue to write random formulas that go through my mind. So I'm not going to explain too much. I'm just going to go writing, to be fair. So
that's kind of okay, so I'm going to write a bigger one here. So that's an arithmetic series in case you're wondering. That's a geometric series again, in case you're wondering. So let's go sum all of the numbers from 1 to n. Find here. Factorial bits over there. Still an actual. Times that. Put it all there. Or let's put it in -1. And then so these are quite random. I don't really care that much. Going into though, because no reason. Okay, on the other side. I'm not gonna do the same bits, but I kind of want to write bigger formula. Need to be careful that this one is completely dry. If I write touch anything, so. Let's go with another sum from 1 to n of r squared this one, because why not? State factorial bits over there. Still an actual. Times that. Put it all there. Or let's put it in -1. And then so these are quite random. I don't really care that much. Going into though, because no reason. Okay, on the other side. I'm not gonna do the same bits, but I kind of want to write bigger formula. Need to be careful that this one is completely dry. If I write touch anything, so. Let's go with another sum from 1 to n of r squared this time, because why not? Gonna do the cubed one as well. Okay, so let's see this side. I think it's kind of dried. Oh, mine's okay. Not fully dried there. But that's fine.
So this is how they turned up. This is one side and the other side. You can see if I put these ones together like this, they're not identical. So they kind of have the same formulas-ish, but they're not identical. And if I go on the other side, like this, and with the other side here, you can see that they're not identical. So that's quite nice. I like how they look like. And I could have used other colors. Obviously I couldn't have used black because black on black wouldn't actually show, but I had gold and silver. But to be fair, I quite prefer the white. It just looks a little bit nicer. So yeah, this is how it turned up. They look quite nice. I really like them. And yeah, let me know if you would do something like this to your own shoes, or if you've done it before. And yeah, that's kind of it. I will see you soon. Enjoy the day. Bye.